I have spent years studying engineering content, but I need to start creating instead of just consuming. I want to start building a YouTube channel. Every time I thought about making my first video, I just left it for tomorrow. What am I going to do for this video? I'm going to take this button and use it to turn this LED on.
Who say that they won't when they will? I could use some motivation, but I know how I feel.
This is the original power supply module for this laser cutter. It broke, I got a new one, it's fixed, it works now, but I don't want to throw this one away. So I'm going to see what I can salvage from this, starting with this lovely satisfying button. Alright, first step is removing these screws. The next thing is going to be removing these little bolts.
If I see you acting patient, you never know your last meal. Faster than you like, sober and that's the end.
So when we connect the normally closed circuit, which is the black wire with this exposed pin here, we see that we have continuity. This circuit is connected, but when we push the button, the circuit is disconnected. In order to power this, I'm going to use this Arduino clone from the Super Starter Kit UNO R3 project. Affiliate link in the description.